Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a ton of dice rolls in Monopoly Go. No jailbreak needed. So as you can see guys, look at that. They're going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's go ahead and wait for this to max out, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so let's open up Monopoly Go now, and I'm going to show you what's going on in my account. And by the end of the video, you'll see it go up again. So let's wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. Alright, so yeah, this is super cool. So as you can see, I got 94,000 dice rolls, 300k cash, but I don't care. I want more, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's go ahead and go over to the settings, because you need your user ID. So make sure you know your user ID, or this is not going to work, guys. So let's go ahead and go over to the shop, just so I can show you guys how much dice rolls I have. And as you can see, I have 94,000. So what you want to do is go to this website, dicyrolls.cc. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So it's dicyrolls.cc. Pretty cool website. So once you're here, guys, we're just going to go ahead and choose how much dice rolls we want to add to our account. So yeah, this is super cool. So let's just do that. So anyway, guys, now you have to do your user ID and your platform. So let me type in that user ID. That's why I told you the user ID is going to come in handy. So now I'm going to press continue and just wait for this to load. So yeah, let's just give it a second here, as you can see. All right. So let's just do that. So anyway, let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So anyway, guys, before you actually get the dice rolls, you have to do a verification. So you need to download some apps and complete the instructions. And these are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. So bear in mind, if you don't do this step, you will not get the dice rolls onto your game. So as you can see, there's these apps, and you just have to download them. And they say to reach like level 11. So yeah, let's just do that. So let's just do that. So let's just do this app right here, as you can see. So while this one's downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps, just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back. So for the next one, I'm going to do Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second to redirect me here, as you can see. So I'm just going to do this. All right. So let's just do that. Let's just do this. So anyway, I'm going to do the first step right here, just doing the basic interactions here, as you guys can see. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do this. So let's just go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to run this. So let's just do this right here, as you can see, just like pressing around. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. So let's just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So I'm pretty much done at this point. So let's do the other app, which is the Family Island. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading here. So now I'm going to go ahead and run it. And I'm just going to do some basic interactions. Let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. Alright. So let's just go ahead and do this. Alright. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this. Alright. So let's just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. Alright. So let's just go ahead and do this. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, guys. You just gotta do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that. So anyway, let's open up Monopoly Go now and see if we're rich. Personally, I bet it worked. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So be sure to try this out. Super insane. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, be sure to get the word out, because this is super crazy. And it is totally working, guys. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Peace out.